Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x16 enclosed trailer with a blackout package. This enclosed trailer does have a 32-inch side door. There are two 35-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. This trailer does have the stone guard teardrop fenders. This trailer does have a spring assist loading ramp. This enclosed trailer does have an interior height of 6.4 feet. We have our door from the inside. There's also a 12-volt dome light by your door. There's the spring assist for your loading ramp. This trailer also has 3/8 plywood walls and 3/4 plywood flooring. There is a screwed exterior as well as LED brake lights. Once again, this is a 7x16 enclosed trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.